three important questions that we're trying to answer were, first question. Question number 1. Can they pay us back as a banker? And the answer was yes. Question number 2. Do we need more cash? We answer that question, right? From the ownership point of view. Question number 3. How much is GEMS worth? We've answered that question. Question number 4, which is here, which is how do we test it? How do we test our valuation model? We answered that question. So we answered 4 questions in total. All right, so two key points before I wrap up for the day. One is when you test, you need to test both the valuation assumptions, which is this part, which is the IRR discount rate and the terminal growth rate, and the business model. You need to test both, not enough to test one. And then you can even do a combo of both, right? So for example, baseline revenue and your discount rate, how does that work? Baseline expense and your discount rate, how does that work? And that gives you a better sense of what the numbers look like, what valuation direction you're going on, right?